So now here, 2019 at AAPEX here in Vegas. It's a big, exciting year for Cloyes. Brand new booth, new logo that we rolled out in our branding refresh in 2019. We've got a lot of new products on display, our Vvt kits, our water pump kits. You know, again, it's a big year for Cloyes. We're really excited to have everyone here at the booth. It's been a good year for us, you know, servicing our customers, high fill rates. Excited to take this momentum from 2019 right into 2020. One of the biggest product launches for Cloyes in 2019 is our Vvt Kit, especially the Ford 5.4 liter application. This kit right here actually won the best new product in the hard parts category at AAPEX 2019 in the new product showcase. And Jason Thompson, our Vice President of Engineering and Product Development, is going to tell us a little bit more about the kit and why it's so successful for Cloyes.
Like Brian said, we're really excited about our new products this year, including Vvt cam sprockets. We've spent the months of development time to reverse engineer these products, test these products, and included in that is real-world testing.
Along with our Ford 5.4 liter Vvt kit, we also rolled out our Vvt kit for the Gm Ecotec application, and Jason's going to tell us a little bit more about that kit.
As we got into the new products, we actually did something new with the Ecotec by introducing the solenoids. Brand new product type for us, same ingredients, reverse engineering and research and development to get into this product type, including real world testing.
We're also really excited to roll out our water pump kit for that same application.
Well, because the water pump is driven from the balance shaft system, it's the easiest time to replace the water pump rather than doing it at a different time. There's a procedure for it, but it's a much more difficult process. Plus you've added duration and time to your repair. Doing all the timing components, water pump, Vvts, and solenoids. You're addressing, again, you know, most common issues with the Ecotec engine. You have 100,000, 150,000 miles left to drive.
And that's Cloyes' complete focus, is we want to bring the complete repair solution to our customers. So again, here at AAPEX 2019, we've done that with these new product launches. And as we turn our attention to 2020, we'll continue to engineer new products and bring new products to market for the automotive aftermarket. Thanks again for coming by the Cloyes booth here at AAPEX 2019. It's been a big year for Cloyes, product launches, brand refresh, new booth here at the show. Take a look at Cloyes.com for all of our new product launches and what we have in store for 2020.